Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a glowy makeup look. I've already put my foundation on and I'm going to now do my eyeshadow. I'm going to start with concealing my eyelids with the Revolution concealer in C10. This is like a base for my eyeshadow, so it kind of sticks on, kind of like a primer in a way. This is quite like an old school Revolution palette I've had for years. So I'm going to go in with this like glittery shade here. Ooh. Basically use my finger to apply it on, and honestly I think that's all I'm going to do today for eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go and do my eyebrows. I'm using my two favourite eyebrow pencils by Rimmel London, and one's in hazel and one's in black brown. Use the one in hazel first, kind of like line my lip brows and stuff. Then I go in with a small eyebrow type brush and blend it out to go for the natural type look as possible. So like go in with the eyeshadow and kind of just like fill in any parts that you really couldn't fill in with the pencil. Then I'm using the black brown pencil and I'm just kind of like defining my brows a little bit more, so making them look a little bit sharper. I go back in with concealer to kind of like very small brush fine my eyebrows, and I'll just go back with my beauty blender and just blend it out a little bit. And that's the eyebrows done. I'm going to do some eyeliner, just like a little bit, using my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. And that's the eyeliner done. I've gone for quite an elongated wing, but quite thin so it's not too thick. And then I'm going to apply my lashes. I use these, I've got quite a few of these, but they're from eBay, and honestly they're amazing, and you get quite a few, and I've got quite a few different styles, so yeah. I'm going to start by curling off my eyelashes first. And honestly, eyelashes are so fiddly. I say this in like every makeup video, but they are. And then like when you get it right, you just feel so happy and proud of yourself because it's a very big task. Okay, so that's the eyelashes done. I use the Duo eyelash glue and my eBay lashes that I trimmed down to my eye size. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. glitter shadow and just going to put it in my inner corners. I'm not going to lie, it's kind of ticklish, but it looks really cute when you put it in the inner corner. It's like a slight glow there, as you can see. And then I'm going in, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, Wet n Wild and Revolution. And I'm going to use all three and kind of like blend them all in. Oh, and the e.l.f. one is just, wow, like so nice and bright. And then I'm just going to blend that in with my beauty blender. And then I kind of like blend it in everywhere, like around my chin area and like pigmentation and stuff, and it comes out amazing. Then I'm going to contour using the Collection palettes. Blend it out with my brush. I just feel it works out a lot better for me that way. And then I'm going to bronze my face with the No. 7 bronzer and the Wet n Wild bronzer. Apply it all over my neck, blend it out, make it look as natural as possible. And that's fab. And then I'm going to bake using the Revolution baking powder. And just put that under my eyes and let it set for a bit, and then I'm going to wipe away. And I'm going in again with a second highlighter. Okay, so because I want to be extra glowy, I mean, I don't think I've said the word enough. I'm going to go in with this Holographic Strobe stick from W7. I can't see, there's no like packaging on here, so yeah. And I think it's from TK Maxx. I'm going to just swing that across my highlighter brush and just add a little bit extra. This makeup will look beautiful in summertime because the sun will be shining and your skin will literally be like glittery and all glowy and sparkly and beautiful. Woo! And then I just spread it across my neck, blend it all out, make sure my whole face, neck, body, everything is glowing. This, and put it in my inner corners for that extra bit of glow. Okay, I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to need to blend that out. I'm going to need to blend that out. Blend it out nicely. Looks a lot nicer blended out. Looks like nothing was ever there, and it just looks very natural but glowy at the same time. Love. Okay, so now the lips. We're going to go for NYX Liquid Suede. I can't read. I want it to be a bit, the lips be a bit natural, and then I'm going to just add like a gloss to make it extra glowy, you know? Oh, that is perfect. Because it matches my skin tone. That is the NYX liquid lipstick in number 7. That is a beautiful colour. Wow. I think that's one of the first times I tried it. Maybe second time. I don't know, but it's really nice. I love it. What I've realised with NYX lip products is that they're super soft and creamy when you put them on. I didn't really realise that. Well, not all products are like that, but NYX. I'm going to go with the e.l.f. lip gloss, and this is in Mauve Glitz. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm super proud of it. Like, it is literally everything that I like envisioned. It's nice and glowy, it's glitz, it's like just so glowy. So yeah, it's all drugstore, super easy as you saw. I definitely think the bronzers added like a lot more to the look, and the lashes, and it was a super easy eyeshadow look as well. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.